Good afternoon, you're watching Forex TV.
With me, Anna Kasatkina.
And Olga Vitkovskaya.
This is a review of Forex and stock markets for the last week.
What can you tell about the last week Forex market dynamics, Anna?
The American dollar grew on Friday after the publication of an encouraging report on the number of jobs in USA.
And what is the overall US dollar picture?
On the whole, the US dollar index ICE strengthened to 80.41 pips after reaching 80.25 on Thursday. Weekly, it gained 0.3%. Meantime, the euro decreased to the mark of $1 and 29.31 cents from $1 and 29.68 cents amid growing expectations of the ECB interest rates downgrading in the nearest time. The euro slid by 0.4% on a weekly basis. The US Labor Department informed that the employment indicator in November exceeded the forecasts. For the reporting period, about 146,000 jobs were created, with 80,000 jobs foreseen, and the unemployment rate eased to the low since December 2008. At the same time, the greenback Japanese yen pair strengthened after employment statistics release. Still later on, the American currency moderated slightly and traded at 82.44 yen. However, this benchmark is higher than that of Thursday at 82.39. Weekly, the US dollar appeared in the red zone with the loss of 0.3%. During trading sessions, the greenback was declining to the up of 82.14 amid news about the earthquake in the northeast of Japan. Nevertheless, the Canadian dollar jumped after the favorable report about the unemployment rate in Canada, according to which about 59,000 jobs were created in the country's economy in November, and the unemployment rate fell to 7.2%. The US currency decelerated after this news, but gained the earlier lost positions later on. And it traded at 0.9912 Canadian dollars. That's all I have about the currency market.
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome, Olga. How did the events of the previous week influence the stock market?
Generally, employment increase in the USA improved the investor sentiment on the US stock market.
Which means that all indices were in the green, doesn't it?
In fact, no. Nasdaq Composite slid, being pressurized by losses of Apple company. The shares of American International Group gained 2.6%. The company is intended to sell the control packet of shares of its leasing company named International Lease Finance for the amount of over $5 billion. Wall Street Journal informed that the potential buyer is a syndicate headed by New China Trust, which includes also the Industry Commerce Bank of China and Aviation Industry Fund of China. At the same time, Goldman Sachs lost 0.5%. The bank is to pay the fine of $1.5 billion because it did not duly control the trader Matthew Taylor. In 2007, he covered the futures positions amounting to $8.3 billion. That's all I have about the trends on the stock exchange market.
Thank you, Olga.
You're welcome, Anna.
This was a weekly analysis of Forex and stock market prepared to you by Insta TV team
With Olga Vitkovskaya
and Anna Kasatkina.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.